Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into your Zoom account. Make sure your email is verified so settings will save. Once signed in, go to Profile immediately. This is where your personal meeting ID lives. You should confirm whether your account is free or paid because settings differ slightly. While in Profile, check your display name and meeting options briefly. These will be tied to the personal ID. Now move to the Personal Meeting ID section, shown on the profile page, to begin creation. Once you locate Personal Meeting ID, enable it and either use the automatically assigned 10-digit number or enter a custom one if allowed. Make sure to set a strong passcode and decide whether to enable the waiting room for additional control. These settings explain who can join directly versus being admitted. Also confirm host video, participant video, and screen sharing default so meetings behave as you expect. After configuring, save changes and review the PMI preview to verify accuracy. Save your personal meeting ID settings, then immediately start a quick test meeting to verify link, passcode, and waiting room behavior. You should invite one secondary device or a colleague to confirm audio, video, and join flow. This demonstrates how guests experience the meeting. Once verified, copy the invitation or meeting link and distribute it through your preferred secure channel. If something breaks, make sure your account type allows custom PMI. Update Zoom to the latest version and recheck host permissions.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.